everybody, and today I will be playing this restocking game. So it's like, here, let me show you. It is called Fill the Fridge, and I think this game is super fun and that you guys should download it. So here's what it is. So you fill up all these boxes, like bins, and you could also fill up like the fridge and something. So this is all makeup, and I think it's really fun. Yesterday I played it like all night. So let's fill up this one first. Let's see. We're gonna do, oops. You're trying to get, you're trying to get as much filled. Sometimes you can't get as perfect, but like, yeah, see, so I can't fit nothing else, so I would put like, maybe nail polish. I know all of it will fit. And then I'll put like this or something. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then close it up, and now I'm gonna do, of course, what would you do? Which one? So, then let's do more of these. Okay, now let's do these. Perfect. Okay, so that's done with. Now let's do this drawer. Let's do maybe some blush. Okay, then let's do some more blush. Perfect. Okay, this one will be maybe some of this. I think will fit in this drawer. Perfect. Okay, now let's do whatever this is. Nail polish. It's very fun. Like, it keeps you energized. Okay, then we'll do some of these. Perfect. Okay.
Available now in the App Store.
I already have the game, but stop judging. Okay, next bin. Let's do this. Satisfying. So let's do some of this. Are you kidding me? Okay, there's one more drawer. And I think they will all fit. Perfect, okay. And there's these. Okay. So that's all I can fit, and that's one round. We'll do one more, and then I'm going to end this video here. Okay. Progress? Good. Perfect. claim that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Dang it. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's do this one first. And we're going to do whatever this is. Then we're going to do some of this. Then we're going to do some of this. And then we're going to do some nail polish. Okay, maybe not nail polish this year. We'll do whatever this is. Okay, that's good. Good, I guess. Huh. Design Home. I used to play this game. Let's do more of this. Okay, that filled up a quarter more. Then we'll do some of this. And then we'll do more of this. Then we'll do some nail polish. Perfect. Okay, then we'll do whatever this is. Then we'll do more of this. And then we'll do some more nail polish. Here we go. Okay. Okay, then whatever this pink stuff is. Perfect, and then we'll do some of this. Perfect. Then we'll do some of this. And then we'll do some of this. Okay, and then we'll do the nail polish. And that's it. Okay. So you guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.